So the main idea of our project is that we want to find a path that doesn't only base off of distance, but also bases off like the individual's needs. So for example, we're walking through the lakeshore path alone at night. We might not be as comfortable as walking through some other path that's more well lit. But in this case, if lakeshore is the shortest distance, Google Maps will take you through that. So the idea of our project is to recommend a safer path in this condition, because that's what the user would want. And it'll all be based on the user's needs. So it'll give you multiple options to choose either the safest, the fastest, the most calm, or the most eco-friendly route. So the safest path refers to the most well-lit area and more crowded areas. The fastest path is the shortest distance. The most calm is the one with the least amount of people, and the eco-friendly is the one that avoids traffic. So in this app, many locations in UW-Madison are like nodes. For example, right here, we would have Library Mall or Chase and Art Museum. So each node is connected through multiple edges, and the edges are weighted based on their brightness rating, their crowdedness rating, and on and on. And then the best path is calculated using the Dijkstra's algorithm, which finds the optimal path with the least weightage. So for example, if I want to go from State Street to UW Hospital, I'll click from State Street to UW Hospital. And I'm looking for the safest path in this condition. So let me zoom out, find safest route. It will take me through this path. Clearly it's not the shortest distance, but it's taking a detour instead of taking me through Observatory Drive, which we all know is rather like not well lit and more isolated at night. So see, if I would choose the fastest, it would take me through that. Here I can see that the walk time is 9 minutes roughly, and it's 720 meters, and it gives me a rating for lighting and crowd. If I wanted to be safer, it would take a longer time, longer distance, but then here you can see the ratings as well. So we can go through another example. Let's say I want to go from Dijok to Memu. Dijok to Memu. And in this case, I want to use calm mode. So calm route will take me through Lakeshore Path. And so in this case, it's also the fastest, but calm route will take me through Lakeshore because that is more calm, and then we weighted that in a way so if you wanted to avoid avoid more stress and you wanted to see water, you would walk through there. And then if I want to choose the most eco-friendly, it would also take me through Lakeshore Path because this is avoiding heavy traffic areas. And if I'm avoiding heavy traffic areas like on the roads, it's possibly reducing traffic and emission by taking the path with the least overlapping cars. And so yeah, we have multiple nodes throughout campus, and that would be it. Thank you.